Howdy, howdy, howdy. It is time to transform and specifically to rotate. So, I thought I'd give you guys a little instruction video just to help you guys make sure we understand what the heck we're doing, as well as look at a few different strategies. So, we're going to do question 3. This is on your guys' worksheet. So, we are rotating. And before we do absolutely anything, it's really important we read the question properly. So, yes, we're doing a rotation. Cool. We're going 90 degrees. Recall that 90 degrees is the same as 1/4 turn. Some people prefer that to 90 degrees. It's all good. If you like 90 degrees more, cool. If you prefer 1/4 turn, cool. Next part is we're saying clockwise. Sorry, my phone's going crazy. We're going clockwise about the origin, which basically just means we're spinning around the origin, 0, 0. And we're going clockwise. It's really important that we look at how much we're rotating and the direction, because this tells us something that's very, very important. Where is the shape going to end up? Which quadrant is it going to rotate into? Well, we have to remember clockwise. If I've got my clock, here's 12 o'clock up here. If I was to rotate clockwise, I'm going this way to 1, this way to 2, and so on to 3. Okay, so this is clockwise. We're going to the right from where 12 o'clock started. So if I'm going 90 degrees or 1/4 turn clockwise, I'm going this way. We know that this shape is going to end up in this quadrant. So if you end up rotating something, and let's say it ended up over here, you already know that you've made a mistake. So before you start doing any actual hard math, ask yourself, how far is it rotating? In what direction? And now I know it should end up in this quadrant, which is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to end up in quadrant 4. Cool. So here's the easiest way to do rotations. You start at each point, and we're going to count its x coordinate and its y coordinate. So we're going 4 to the right and 1 up. All you're going to do now is split those up. We're going to go 4 down and 1 right. That's this guy. And I'm going to even color them just so we can see where they ended up. So we just did the exact opposite. This is 4 to the right and 1 down. We went 4 down and 1 to the right. That's it. Let's do this guy. This guy is 2 to the right and 4 up. Oh yeah, you betcha. We're going to go 4 to the right and 2 down. The exact opposite. Let's do the next one. This guy is 2 right and 5 up. We're going to go 5 right and 2 down. Do we kind of see the shape? It's already starting to take shape. I'll use pink. This guy, he is 4 right and 5 up. We're going to go 5 right and 4 down. And look at this beautiful shape. Now, this is not going to be straight. You're going to be using your ruler. Oops. See, this is why I use rulers. Boom, boom. And we can kind of see how that shape maintained its shape, right? If this turns into like a triangle or something different than this, you know that you've messed up somehow. But the shape maintained its shape, and we see how it rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. And now you've got your answer key, so we can also check this out. Question 3. Okay, take a look. Oh yeah, we did it. Awesome. So that's the very easiest way of doing this. When you're rotating 90 degrees, you just reverse your x and y coordinate. This guy is 4 left and 1 up. Oh, and by the way, we're going counterclockwise. So we're going to be going this way. 4 left and 1 up. I'm going to go 1 left and 4 down. That's it. That's how you rotate that dude. So I hope that strategy works. And if it does, awesome. Stop watching this video. But there's another way we can do it as well, and this one requires a little bit more math. And don't worry, we will look into this one later. But what we can do is this. This little guy, I'm going to label him A, just for fun. This guy is A now as well. Okay, so the ordered pair for A is 4 and 1. Cool. So when I rotate A down here, and I'll do that trick again. It was 4 right and 1 up. I'll go 1 right and 4 down. Let's have a look at the new A. his ordered pair. And remember, we use a little apostrophe to show that it's copied. It's the copied version or the transformed version. So let's look at his ordered pair. Start at the origin, move 1 to the right. So that's +1. And then 4 down, that's -4. So take a look at this. Do we see a pattern here? The x and the y coordinates have just swapped. And that's exactly what we've been doing. 4 right and 1 up, 1 right and 4 down. We're just swapping them. But it's really important for us to notice the signs accompanying these numbers. This +4, which I should have written, whoops. This +4 turns into a -4 because, of course, we're going down below the x-axis, which, of course, is negative. Okay, so this is a bit more of a mathematical way, and we'll learn a bit more about that later. For now, what you should be doing, 4 right, 1 up, 1 right, 4 down. Just do the opposite. That's it. Easy peasy. I hope that makes sense. Have fun today. Have fun. Look at that. That's going to be you. Woo! All right. Sorry for that. Have a good day. See you later.